5 trends which is going to boom in 2021 and so on, which you implement in your career and in your business right now, and you'll see the drastic results. Watch this video very carefully. So in this video we are going to talk about 5 trends. If you start implementing those trends in your business right now, if you're a coach, entrepreneur, or a speaker, or a trainer, or anyone else who is starting his business, these 5 trends in digital marketing, if you start implementing in your business, you can see that growth in your business. So what are these 5 trends which I am talking about? So the first trend is platform centric. You know that Facebook has been a dominant player in tech world, but the growth of Instagram and LinkedIn has shown that if you are doing something right, you can bring people there. Instagram is bringing lot of teenagers, lot of Gen Z and Gen Y people, and at the same time LinkedIn is also working with professionals. Lot of professionals are creating content on LinkedIn and marketing it there, because they know that that is the quality platform in which quality people come. And since the starting of creating political issues on Facebook and sharing the mislead information, it has reduced its reputation a little bit. But since it has been for so long, since till now Facebook is a giant. So whenever you are promoting and spending your bucks on digital marketing, on the paid marketing, ask yourself, where is your target audience? If they are on Instagram, promote it on Instagram, spend money there. If they are on LinkedIn, spend money on LinkedIn, and also spend money on Facebook, Pinterest, and Google AdWords, which is also very important, right? So let's focus on the second point, which is very important, that is personalized email. Yes, my friend, you must be thinking, email, oh man, so oldish. What are you talking, Omi? Email doesn't work now. Mails go to social folder, mails go to promotional folder, but still email is the most dominant thing. Because if you ask any digital marketer, any marketing person, they say the biggest asset they have is their email marketing list. Because you don't know about the platforms, right? We knew that TikTok was there, suddenly it is vanished. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, it is there right now. It is helping people out there, marketers out there. But just imagine, one of the platforms was banned in India, or will be banned in India. Just imagine how the whole game will change. So the only thing which is remaining is your email list. So you have to nurture your email list, give them right value, and make your emails more personalized, because lot of spamming is happening on the name of value. Please understand, when you see an email, you differentiate into 2 categories. One in spamming, and the second is to value driven. So whenever you are writing the subject, whenever you are writing the tagline, whenever you are writing the body, it has to be personalized, it has to be story centric, and it has to be very engaging and entertaining. Because trust me, when a person is opening the mail and he is just seeing the technical jargons which he is not able to connect, he is not going to open your emails after 1 to 2 emails. So you have to be very authentic and as well as entertaining at the same time. So the third point is very important, that is evolution of chatbots. Yes, my friend, you talk about chatbots on your website, you talk about FB chatbots, or you talk about other chatbots which are out there. More than 58% B2B business have implemented chatbots on their website and on their social media platforms. 47% B2C business have also implemented chatbots, because it really helps you to reduce the manual power. Because the main queries, the basic queries a person has, if a chatbot is able to resolve that, just imagine the workload, the time, energy and money you are saving as a company, as a firm, or as an entrepreneur. So the evolution of chatbots, so you have to market your content on chatbots as well, like your FB Messenger chatbots, right? This is a chatbot. You can send messages, you can send articles, you can send your content out there to your people. So you have to increase that list as well from the chatbots. So the fourth point, which is very, very important as well, is voice search. Yes, my friend, voice search. If you see that right now, more than 60% teenagers are very comfortable in voice search. You see the evolution of Alexa, Siri, and Google. They all focus on voice search. They are creating tools, they are creating softwares, they are creating products of voice search just for voice search. That's it. And people are selling it, people are buying it, and people are using it in their day-to-day purpose. More than 60%, it's a big number. And at the same time, around 55% people who have mobile have done voice search once in last 12 months, at least once in last 12 months. And voice search is going to become a $30 billion industry by 2022. Just imagine the power of voice search. So as a digital marketer, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, if you're not focusing on voice search, just imagine how your business is going to be. Because people will say, okay Google, Alexa, Siri, and if the Siri, Alexa, or okay Google is not replying with your business name there, you're losing so much money, my friend. You have no idea. So the fourth point is that you have to focus on voice search. Okay, last but not the least, video content and video marketing. Yes, my friend, video marketing. If you are not creating videos for your business by yourself, or someone else is also not doing it from your firm, you are very late already, and you can't be more late. So start making videos, because right now audience want to engage with the people they are purchasing any kind of product. Okay, so video works like anything. Video marketing is there, and it is going to be the future of the whole world. By 2020, more than 82% all internet information traffic will be in the form of videos. 82%. Just imagine that if you are not there and not creating videos for your business, you are losing behind. Videos can be used anywhere. Videos can be used for sales bridge, videos can be used to create funnels, videos can be used for marketing, branding, everywhere. You have to come in front of camera, record content, edit it, upload it, create content, make it viral, do the video marketing. But create videos, because if as an entrepreneur or a business owner you are not creating videos, you are lagging behind, my friend. Work and hustle, but do it in a right way, in the format which is going to help you in 2021 and way more. So these 5 steps which I have told you: personalized email, voice search, video marketing, chatbots, and platform centric business. Work on these 5 trends right now so that you are up there to play the game at the next level in 2021. So I hope this video was so valuable to you, and if you found the value and what are the main key points you learned there, just write down in the comments. I would love to read all the comments and answer all your queries which you have related to these 5 trends and how it can really help you. And if you want to talk to me that how you can implement these 5 trends in your business, you can book a free one-to-one consultation. I'll take some time out and we'll diagnose and understand that how these tools can be implemented in your business. Okay, so we'll do that. I love to do that. Do that if you want that. Till then, subscribe to the channel, because a lot of valuable content will be coming in the future. Bye bye. Take care. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Keep hustling.